In this video, we are going to see how to install Samsung Max VPN in any Android device and experience the future of one of the most popular VPN, which is Samsung Max VPN. As you all might know already, Samsung VPN is widely used by Samsung mobile users. Please watch this video till the end to know how to install Samsung Max VPN in any Android device and its features. First of all, we'll see what is the VPN and why would we need this in our mobile. As the name tells us, it's virtual private network, and the Samsung Max VPN will serve us to trace our data usage for secure browsing, privacy report and many more. Let's install VPN. Open the link given in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see more detail about the app. Scroll down and click the See Available APKs button. Out of several versions, please select the latest version based on the recent date. If you are confused or finding it difficult to select the recent version, I had also given direct link to download the latest version of APK. Generally, you should download the latest version to get the fullest benefit of any application. Click on Download APK button and download the file. Now install and open the application. Give access whenever, wherever it prompts. There will be three options for you to choose: Basic, Premium, Deluxe plans. Basic and Premium plans are free and you can use limited features and privacy. There are one more option also, that is Deluxe plan. So I am going with Premium plan by clicking Upgrade. We are now ready to use the app. This is the home screen. Turn on the privacy protection and start browsing securely. There are other multiple pages like Mobile, Wi-Fi and Privacy, where you can toggle mobile data saving mode, data usage report, Wi-Fi data saving mode, Wi-Fi data usage report, privacy protection app details and dashboards. Hope this video helped you to browse securely. Please comment your experience installing Samsung Max VPN in your Android device. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Please subscribe and share.